An update to an ongoing lawsuit Idaho News 6 has been covering in the past year. I'm your neighborhood reporter Jessica Davis at the Ada County Courthouse, where a judge heard arguments in a lawsuit against Idaho's abortion laws.
We will take up Adkins versus the state of Idaho.
The state of Idaho filed a motion for a summary of judgment in Adkins versus the state of Idaho. The lawsuit filed last year stems from Idaho women being denied abortions despite serious medical concerns relating to the health of the fetus or the mother. Wednesday afternoon, the state took the stand first, arguing that the plaintiffs have not presented an actual case and lack facts in their argument regarding the abortion law being unconstitutional.
We've challenged it in our motion for summary judgment. And plaintiffs have failed to present any evidence before this court of a specific patient, specific person who claims to be in present need of an abortion.
The state also saying the doctors in the suit, Dr. Emily Corrigan, have not presented facts to show that they would be affected by Idaho law that prohibits them from performing abortions when abortions are prohibited at their place of work.
They're simply relying on their members' ability to sue on behalf of their members' patients. But for third-party standing, you have to have a member who has standing to sue in her own right, not on behalf of somebody else.
The plaintiffs in this case argue back to the state, saying that the motion to summary judgment should be dismissed due to a lack of material facts.
None of the plaintiffs are trying to advance the rights of anyone else. They're just advancing their own rights. So that only requires them to show jurisdictional standing. For Claim 3, the doctors are asserting the rights of their patients.
We spoke to the plaintiff's attorney, Gail Dady, outside regarding what took place in the courtroom.
Significantly, I think we really got to get across our point that this is not a case about hypothetical people. This is a case about real women in Idaho whose lives are at risk.
Women like Rebecca Vincent Brown, one of the plaintiffs in the suit. She and her husband had to travel to Oregon to receive emergency abortion care, something she hopes she and other women won't have to go out of state for again.
It was very disheartening being called not human. And the entire time the state was trying to dehumanize us. It just sounded very callous and disingenuous. And I really hope that the judge can see it for what it is.
The trial for Adkins versus the state will take place in November, and there's a pre-trial set for October 23rd at 2 p.m. at the Ada County Courthouse. I'm your neighborhood reporter Jessica Davis reporting for Idaho News 6.